Where's Samantha?
Where'd she go? Uh-oh. There she is.
She wants a blanket.
Uh-oh. Where did it go? Blanket, where are you? Where'd it go? Okay, turn your head and watch where you're walking.
Samantha,
Where's your blanket?
Blanket? Samantha,
Come here, little one.
where is it?
Where's the blanket? Look in the tunnel. What's in the tunnel?
She's like, what?
There's your blanket.
There's blanket.
Where's Samantha? Where's Samantha? There she is.
Hi.
Where's Kathy?
I see you. Boo. I see you. Mama's behind you.
Where's Samantha? Where's Samantha?
Whoa. There she is. Roll.
Solomon,
She's trying to make it roll.
Jasmine, cut her out.
Roll. Peekaboo.
Where's Samantha's? Where'd she go? There she is.
Oh, nice face plant.
Where's Samantha? There she is.